Hi, this is Tucker with your SAT vocabulary list number 1. Please take Cornell notes, write down the word, the part of speech, the definition, and any examples I say or that you think of that will help you to remember these words. And remember, if at any point I'm talking too fast, which I have a tendency to do, feel free to pause the recording to catch up. Our first word is abase. It's a verb, and it means to lower in position, to lower in rank or office, reputation, somehow to degrade someone's status, whether it be their actual status and position or the way that we think about them. So to abase someone, think about the word. Base is at the bottom. And what you're doing when you abase someone is you push them down or you lower their position. So hopefully that little clue of base and lower position will help you to remember what this word means. And words that mean kind of similar definitions are things like humiliate, dishonor, right? Those are similar to abase. So an example of using this word would be maybe there's a coach who's really ambitious. He wants his team to do well, and every time they lose a game or they fail to win, he abases his team, right? He makes them feel badly. He makes them feel like they're not going to be able to be successful, probably because he's just frustrated that they haven't done as well as he expected.
Creating a visual project in Piktochart is super easy, no matter what your role is. Just watch and we'll show you. This is your Piktochart account. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is a templates dashboard. This is where you'll select a previously saved project or create a new project by choosing a template format on the left side of the screen, either infographic, presentation, or printables. Just search or scroll down and browse through the templates list, clicking preview on templates that you think you'll like until you find exactly the one you want to use. Be on a sharp lookout for structure or layout. Think roadmaps, comparisons, lists, etc. Let's go ahead and select this template called Startup Basic. Just click Create to start editing your template. Once you're situated in the Piktochart editor, you'll see that it'll be super easy to customize your chosen template. The formatting is already taken care of for you. You just need to go in and change text to fit your needs and change colors on the canvas using your color palette or your own hex values. You can even use a photo and set it as a background too. Changing up a template is exactly how you'll turn one of our templates into your own creation. While charts are certainly an option, let's go ahead and add a map in the next block and repurpose it by changing the percentages and the text description next to it.
Hello friends, this is Firoz. In this video, I will show you how to create amazing animations using Powtoon. So first visit Powtoon website and log in through your Facebook account. Here I had logged through my Facebook account. So it is showing me different options here to create my cartoon character for the presentation. So we are being provided with the set of templates, so from which we can choose different or interested template for our presentation or the animated video. So I will choose the professional thing in that. So let us select the different animation characters or templates for our presentation video. So I will select the first one here. They are provided all the specific topics related templates, the different options from which we can select the intent of our animation, the intended template for our animation. So let me select one. So I'll select this. Okay, so this is my first animation template. Let us go for the second one. So I will select, so this is quite interesting, so I will select this. So next I will select the third one. What is the thing is, you need to do a script for your animation. So I had not made any script. I'm just showing you how to do it. So you make your script and you do your animations. Okay, so let me select one more here. So so let me select, okay, let me select this one, success. Okay, after the full video will be successfully creating the animation. Okay, so give continue. So this will be take to you to the animation panel here. So here we can see all the imported templates. Okay, so these are the imported templates. So I'm selecting text to enter that my text in this first template. So I will type okay, learn.
Okay, Kate, let's take a look. Your header is good. Your lead information is good. You have the correct title. It is in the correct position. However, all of the important words in a title have to be capitalized. So looks and balloons and restore cell service, all those need to be capital. Please number your vocabulary so it's easier for me to see. But your vocabulary looks good, and I'm happy with that. Take a look at your essay. There it comes. I couldn't figure out why your map wasn't popping in. Okay, again, your title, all of the important words in the title have to be capitalized. Same in the sentence. The should not be capitalized here. Has should not be capitalized. Plan should not be capitalized. Hurricane should be capitalized. It is the name of the hurricane that hit. Hurricane Maria is one thing, and it should both be capitalized.
All over the world, students are turning in papers and getting them back covered in red ink. They see all the red marks, but don't know how to improve, and essays with well-intentioned feedback often end up in the trash. Teachers are swamped with papers, so most students just get passed from grade to grade, never getting enough practice to get better. In the meantime, kids are texting, tweeting, and blogging, making disciplined writing seem boring and increasingly difficult. This all amounts to a broken feedback loop, failing test scores, and poor confidence. But what if grammar were fun? What if all the questions were about kids' favorite pop stars, football players, and friends from class? What if every time a kid got a question wrong or made a mistake, he could get help on it right away, and students could go at their own pace, reviewing or cruising ahead as much as they needed? Welcome to No Red Ink, a groundbreaking online interface that helps students improve their grammar and writing skills. As students use the site, the system learns about them, figures out what they don't know, and gives them various tutorials to help them get back on track. Teachers can use color-coded heat maps to see exactly where kids are struggling, and they can give assignments, quizzes, and practice exercises specific to each student's needs. Schools can even track how specific demographics are doing, helping them raise scores on important standardized tests. No Red Ink is a fun, adaptive, and social solution to a long-standing problem. Are you sick of red ink? Sign up for free today.